latest education channel on Effective Classroom. Myself, Dr. Sanghamitra Banerjee, a mentor, teacher's trainer, educationist, and a passionate principal of a very reputed CBSE school in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. This is my first vlog, and probably in my upcoming vlogs, we are going to look into the effectiveness, the creativeness, the innovativeness, and the ability to parameterize the effectiveness of a classroom. I have never thought to create a vlog to reach to the teachers, parents, principals, management, and to the people across the globe. But this pandemic has made me realize that it is high time we have to think about restructuring the entire education system, the way of delivering knowledge, the way of inculcating habits and ideas, the way of thought-provokingness in children. Everything needs a revamping now, and it is high time. Education plays a vital role in shaping up the character and curving the future of the society. We are actually aiming to create leaders for tomorrow. But it is very important to question us. Is the way we deliver knowledge is enough to create leaders for tomorrow? Is our curriculum strengthened enough to create innovative ideas in our children that combats all the odds and challenges of the present era and the future? As an educator, are we taking enough initiative to shape up the thoughts, ideas, creating an emotional and physical balance in a child's life? Probably, there is a mismatch which needs to be addressed now. The rate of suicide goes high every year for the board-appearing children, irrespective of their background. Is our education system capable enough to handle all this crisis? The question comes back to the inception. What are our education goals? Are we aware of it? Do we realize what are we delivering? And are we aware that we are actually delivering knowledge to the lives, to shape up the lives and not dealing with the machines? Are the teachers of our country and of our globe capable enough to become a mentor, a facilitator, and a role model for all our children? Are we creating enough examples for them so that they get motivated to walk extra mile in their life and embrace all the challenges coming up their way? It is high time teachers, educators, and mentors, please focus on this and try to put forth your ideas, your suggestions, your comments in the comment box so that we can work together to create a better future. Education tells us that it is all about learning to be, learning to grow, learning to be gracefully together, learning to transform lives in a better way. Are the delivery methodology that we have adopted fulfill this? Education aims to reduce poverty. Education aims to promote well-being. Education aims to create a better future for the society where equality is seen in every corner of the world, where a child stands responsibly well as a true citizen of the nation, holding all the responsibilities in an effective way rather than thinking of giving up. Is the bookish education enough to curve the future of a child? Or we have to look into something else to create a very creative and effective classroom that delivers true knowledge to create human beings for tomorrow? It is high time for all of us to think on all the questions what I have put forth today, so that in my next episode we will come back with some more brainstorming ideas so that we are really shaping up the life of our children and not creating machines for tomorrow. Sustainability in education is a key factor which the world is looking forward for. Widen the thought process of the children is what education aims to give. Creating connectivity between a teacher and a child may be the key factor to shape up the character of a child. I truly believe on the phrase that you have to reach before you teach. So, my dear teachers, please concentrate on this factor, that are we really reaching before we are teaching them? Otherwise, we will teach, they will listen, but actually teaching and learning will never happen. It is important for all of us to understand that are we the bridge between the knowing and the unknowing, or we are just standing on the opposite bank of the river. It is high time we focus on this matter and come back with a proper solution. We need not to prove anyone, but it is high time we access ourselves so that we understand, yes, the methodology that we have adopted is creative enough to mentor a child, fulfilling all the needs, creating very good ideas in the child's mind, enabling the child to actually explore all dimensions of education, promoting well-being and following the passion of the child in the proper way. Till then, stay tuned and many more episodes to come. If you like the episode, kindly subscribe so that you do not miss any of the conversations that we come back with. Do not forget to put your suggestions in the comment box. I will be eagerly waiting for it. If any of your ideas resonates with mine, reverberates with my ideas and thoughts, kindly put forth so that we can really build a stronger and a sustainable future through education. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.